You see people like Taylor Swift, Jack Black, they all have cult-like followers. Not fans, they have a cult. Their community absolutely love and adore them. I speak on behalf of Swifties, those people to be die-hard fans to a whole other level. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that with your short form content by copying these celebrities. Number 1, be quirky. So when I say quirky, I mean your weird attributes. We all have them. Take a look at Jack Black, for instance. He shows up like a 12-year-old online.
One, two, three, four.
Making noise, screaming, acting crazy.
Take it!
That's weird. No, that's really.
My loneliness is killing me.
But him acting like a rock star, dancing in his living room and acting crazy essentially, people eat that shit up. People eat it up because that is what makes him unique. That weirdness is what people want to see. In reality, we are all weird, but most people tend to perform on camera. Like me right now. Like I know I'm performing for you, but if you can act your weird, crazy self on camera, like do the crazy things that you normally would not do on camera. If you can act like your weird, crazy self, the way you act when nobody is watching you, when you're alone in your room, the way you pick your nose and scratch, yeah, we all do it too. If you can have the audacity to show up that authentically on camera, people will love you because they know that that is how we all are. They can relate to it. They love it. They love that you can do what they have no audacity to do. Number 2, show your flaws. And when I say your flaws, I mean your messy, nasty, ugly flaws. The type of things that you don't want people to know. The type of thing that you would actually hide from your best friend. Yes. Tell people about your breakups. Tell people about your abuse from the past. Tell people about your divorce. Tell people about your struggle with porn. People want to know that you are a real human being with real flaws, just like them. Taylor Swift never hides her heartbreak. In fact, she built a billion-dollar brand on heartbreak because it is ugly, it is messy, and yet it is relatable. Every album is like reading a diary of a crazy ex-girlfriend. We are tired of polished, perfect people on the internet. We all know that that's not the real you. We all know that you have struggles, I have struggles, and we're tired of seeing perfect Instagram reels of rich people flying high in the sky. Nah, we don't want that. We want the vulnerable content. We want the messy stuff. We want the ugly stuff. We want that. We want to see that. It also makes us feel better. So please don't move that. Number 3, don't fight your haters. So many people don't like the idea of having haters online. But this is exactly what you want to be. You want to be polarizing. You want to have people absolutely hate you in order to have other people absolutely love you. Someone like Taylor Swift now. She's hated. People hate her. Will Smith, he's hated. He's controversial. And the people that hate him, and they spend time on the comment section of his post hating on him. And the people that love him spend their time defending him. So you don't even have to defend yourself from haters. Let your fans do it for you. Once they see themselves fighting for you, it becomes something that they actually believe in. And once they believe in it, they are basically cult members. That's exactly what you want. People like Andrew Tate, Taylor Swift, Kanye West, Will Smith, half of the internet hates them, while the other half absolutely adores them because they are polarizing, and it's called the enemy effect. There's no use being bland, there's no use being vanilla, there's no use agreeing with everybody or going with the flow or going with the crowd or looking like everybody else. No. No, don't do that. Number 4, and this is so important, build bestie level intimacy with your followers. So people talk about growing followers. You don't just want followers, you want fans, you want community members, you want literal best friends. Taylor Swift calls her fans Swifties. How many other celebrities can brag about that? They usually have their online community, they meet up. Sometimes she even surprises her fans with special events and special performances. That's crazy. That's a level of intimacy only friends in real life can brag about, and yet her fans get that. This is something that a lot of businesses miss out on because they feel like, I'm a business, I have to act like strictly business, strictly corporate, strictly professional. Well, no. You want that intimacy, you want that level of connection with your people. You want to make them feel like you are a part of their life and they are a part of yours. You want to feel like a family member. That's exactly what you want to be to them. Something or someone that they cannot do without. And a lot of the time, using optimized systems and automations can cut out this human connection that you want to build with your followers. So instead of sending AI and many chats and using automations to send out mass emails, sometimes try sending one-on-one messages. Try doing lovely, helpful, intimate things for your followers, and they would actually adore you. I did this once. It was actually stressful, but it was so worth it because those people that I helped, those people that I gave free coaching calls to, I mean, they love me. They love me. If you do these 4 things, I promise you, you have people who absolutely love you and cannot even imagine life without you.
4, 1, 2, 3, mother. 1, 2, 3.